When the list you created needs to be in order and numbered, Word can help you to automatic numbering of your list. That's what we are going to explore in this movie. We left off creating bulleted list in our previous movie, but we can change the title to top 4 easy to follow guidelines. So we might want to list these all the way up to the top one. So instead we can select the list that already there, just simply go to numbered list. Notice from the formatting toolbar there is a button for numbering, just click it. You can see it automatically numbered using the default formatting. Click the drop down arrow if you want to change the format. You can see there is a number of other options including periods, brackets, Roman numerals. You can see lettering as well, a few lettering options and lowercase Roman numerals if you wanted to do that. Let's go back to the one we just used, the 1, 2, 3 with periods. And if for example you didn't have the list already or it was there and you didn't have the bullets, no problem. With everyone selected, let's go back up to the home tab here and click the numbered list button. That turns it off. Turn it back on by clicking it and you go right back to the format you are using. Now here's the cool thing with numbered list. If we go to the end of and press enter, you can see this automatically going to be continuing with the number 5, but we listed the top 4. So let's hit the backspace. Hit it again 1, 2, 3 times. Go back to the end of the word day. What about reordering this? Maybe the top one isn't the eat several small meals, but rather drink at least 8. So we can click and drag across that item and then go up to right inside the selected area. Click and drag it up in front of the E in the eat several small meals. You can see that little cursor there right in front of E and release. You can see it become number 1 and everything else is numbered accordingly. That's the beauty of automatically numbered list, which is easily done here in Microsoft Word. What you might think is, can I adjust the hint ending? I know I can change numbering, but what about the space between the number and the list items? All of that's coming up with the next movie.